For decades, the prevailing medical belief was simple and discouraging. Once you pass 70, muscle loss is unavoidable. Patients were told that weakening legs, poor balance, declining grip strength, and fatigue were simply part of aging. Many physicians accepted sarcopenia, age related muscle loss, as inevitable. But modern research in geriatric medicine, endocrinology, and nutritional science has now proven that belief is wrong. We now understand that muscle tissue does not lose its ability to grow with age. What it loses is its sensitivity to traditional protein sources and its ability to efficiently absorb key nutrients. This is a critical distinction. Because once we correct protein resistance, chronic inflammation, micronutrient deficiencies, and digestive inefficiency, older muscle cells can respond, sometimes dramatically. In this video, we will explore 6 scientifically validated seeds that contain highly bioavailable plant proteins, unique amino acid profiles, anti-inflammatory fats, and micronutrients that directly target the biological mechanisms of sarcopenia. Several of these seeds have been shown in peer-reviewed studies to stimulate muscle protein synthesis as effectively as, or in specific aging populations, more effectively than eggs, not because eggs are inferior, but because aging muscle responds differently to nutrition. This video is science-backed, aligned with NIH, Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and geriatric nutrition principles, and structured in the way a physician would explain it to a patient. Let's begin with the medical foundation. Why muscle loss after 70 is not about age, it's about biology. Sarcopenia is driven by 4 major physiological changes. Number 1, anabolic resistance. After age 65 to 70, muscle cells require higher leucine concentrations, slower protein digestion, better amino acid timing. This is why older adults can eat protein and still lose muscle. Number 2, chronic low-grade inflammation. Often called inflammaging, this process blunts muscle protein synthesis, increases muscle breakdown, reduces recovery after movement. Number 3, digestive decline. Lower stomach acid, enzyme output, and gut diversity reduce protein absorption by up to 30 to 40% in seniors. Number 4, micronutrient deficiency. Up to 70% of adults over 70 are deficient in magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are essential for muscle contraction, repair, and regeneration. Seeds uniquely address all 4 issues simultaneously. Seed number 6, sunflower seeds, cellular protection for aging muscle. Sunflower seeds provide approximately 21 grams of protein per 100 grams with a complete amino acid profile. But clinically, protein quantity is not their primary value. Doctor's insight. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress accelerates muscle fiber degeneration, especially fast-twitch fibers responsible for balance and strength. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that older adults with higher vitamin E intake demonstrate better grip strength, improved walking speed, lower rates of frailty. Sunflower seeds are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that enhances nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to muscle tissue, critical for nutrient delivery in aging circulatory systems. Clinical application: 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Best consumed post-movement, walking resistance bands. Pair with vitamin C to support collagen synthesis. Seed number 5, sesame seeds, hormonal and mineral support for muscle. Sesame seeds contain roughly 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, but their clinical value lies in methionine and lignans. Why methionine matters after 70? Methionine is required for creatine synthesis, muscle repair signaling, methylation processes that regulate muscle gene expression. Most plant proteins are low in methionine. Sesame seeds are not. Hormonal effects. Research from Japan has shown sesame lignin support testosterone regulation in older men, estrogen metabolism in postmenopausal women, reduced oxidative damage to muscle cells, Muscle maintenance after 70 is hormone sensitive, and sesame seeds support this indirectly but meaningfully. Mineral density. Sesame seeds deliver calcium, neuromuscular signaling, magnesium, muscle relaxation, iron, oxygen delivery. Doctor's recommendation. Lightly toast to increase digestibility. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Evening intake improves overnight muscle recovery. Seed number 4, flax seeds, metabolic control and muscle preservation. Flax seeds provide approximately 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, but their greatest clinical contribution is metabolic regulation, omega 3, and muscle preservation. Flax seeds are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega 3 fatty acids shown to reduce muscle inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, enhance nutrient uptake into muscle cells. Insulin is one of the most anabolic hormones in the body. Improved sensitivity means more protein enters muscle cells instead of being wasted. Lignans and insulin sensitivity. Flax lignans improve glucose control, which is critical because poor glucose regulation accelerates muscle loss. Many seniors have undiagnosed insulin resistance. Critical preparation rule. Flax must be ground. Whole seeds are not digested. Clinical use. 1 to 2 tablespoons ground daily. Combine with probiotic foods to enhance amino acid absorption. Seed number 3, pumpkin seeds, mineral-driven muscle activation. Pumpkin seeds contain approximately 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense seeds available. Why physicians recommend pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin seeds are exceptionally high in zinc, muscle repair, testosterone synthesis, magnesium, ATP production, muscle contraction. Magnesium deficiency alone can reduce muscle strength by up to 30%. Complete amino acid profile. Pumpkin seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids in proportions favorable for muscle protein synthesis. They also contain compounds that reduce muscle soreness, allowing older adults to maintain consistent physical activity, key to rebuild muscle. Clinical timing. Afternoon or pre-bed consumption. Supports sleep quality and overnight recovery. Seed number 2, hemp seeds, the most digestible protein for aging guts. Hemp seeds deliver approximately 31 grams of complete protein per 100 grams with a digestibility rate exceeding 90%. Edestin, a unique advantage. Hemp protein contains edestin, a globular protein structurally like human plasma proteins. This means faster absorption, minimal digestive stress, lower renal burden. Important for seniors with declining kidney function. Leucine and BCA content. Hemp seeds provide high levels of leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, especially important because aging muscle requires higher leucine thresholds. Anti-inflammatory fat balance. Hemp seeds offer an optimal omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, reducing chronic inflammation that inhibits muscle growth. Doctor's recommendation. 3 to 4 tablespoons daily. Spread intake throughout the day. Seed number 1, chia seeds, the most studied seed for sarcopenia. Chia seeds contain approximately 17 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, but their clinical power lies in bioavailability and time-release nutrition. Unique age advantage. Research shows chia protein absorption improves with age, reaching up to 95% in adults over 70. This is exceptionally rare. Leucine density. Chia seeds provide leucine concentrations comparable to whey protein without digestive side effects. Cellular hydration and muscle signaling. Chia seeds absorb water and form a gel bath. Improves cellular hydration. Enhances nutrient transport. Activates anabolic signaling pathways. Clinical trials in older adults show improvements in lean muscle mass, walking speed, grip strength. Best use. Soaked for 15 to 30 minutes. Overnight chia pudding for sustained protein release. Final medical summary. Muscle loss after 70 is not a failure of age. It is a failure of appropriate nutritional signaling. These 6 seeds address anabolic resistance, digestive decline, micronutrient deficiency, chronic inflammation, When combined with light resistance movement and consistency, they provide a clinically sound, doctor approved strategy for maintaining and rebuilding muscle well into advanced age. If this video helped you understand your body better, subscribe for more science based senior health education and comment below which seed you'll start with first. Your strength is not gone, it's waiting for the right signal.